Karma Guy here. Check out this fun and sporty 2013 Fiat 500 Abarth hatchback with a clean Carfax and very low miles, only 84,000. It's been well maintained with dealer service history and over $525 in recent service, including spark plugs, air filter, and a fresh oil change. This dealer-certified pre-owned Fiat comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty and the option for a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price. Plus, you can upgrade to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. We've included a recent computer scan showing no trouble codes and successful emissions diagnostics, so you know this car is in top condition. Remember, any price reductions will void the CPO warranty and 5-year service plan, so don't miss out on this great offer. Choose quality. Choose peace of mind. Choose the 2013 Fiat 500 Abarth.